Hello everybody, today I'm at Chinatown. I'm walking to the Clarke area and we'll see a lot of interesting buildings. You know, opposite is that one, Bus Park Complex, the red one at the corner. And this one is People Park Center, Zhengdu Dasa. There is Furama City Center, the hotel there, and some shops below. And over here is the Chinatown point, you know. Whoa. So the Clarke area is about 600 to 800 meters from here. I think it takes about 8 minutes walk. Later enjoy. Oh, that's a nice building here. There's some kind of rooftop garden. The tourists are on the big bus, man. Now is a good time to explore because not too sunny. Upper Pickering Street, New Bridge Road. And let's have a look to some kind of ghost mall because not many people go there. Quite abandoned, and here is a Hong Lim Park. You know, it's the speaker's corner for certain members of the political party. Sometimes they raise their view here. And I can see the speaker's corner is just over there. So here is Clarke exit A already. Just hope the weather is good. Opposite there's a Tongji Yuan. Then you can see Clarke Central from here already. From after the traffic crossing will be the officially the Clarke area. From Clarke you can walk to Boat Quay, you know, many places, and even to the Marina Bay Sands. Yeah, see a kind of church over there. And that way lead to the expressway. So the Clarke MRT is at 150 meters. From here, it just cross the traffic light in front and it's over there. And do you know that there's a Safra here at 29 Carpenter Street? You know, Safra members can have the free access to swimming pool. There's a famous Songfa Bak Kut Teh right here. Now it's 4:30. The unusual time to eat, right? And there is our colorful building, police station, Hill Street. On the left side, you can play some game. The Singapore Slingshot. It propel you outwards vertically. Oh, we can see Marina Bay Sands from here. And the bridge there. From there, you can walk to Marina Park. And the blue building is a high street, you know. It used to be very popular during the 1950s to 1970s. Before the major shopping malls came up. You know, Indian traders, they brought their silk from China, from India, and came here to sell, man. But once the big shopping malls came in, it was like ranked lower and lower already. Until now, it's like more the abandoned shopping mall. And there's a map here. You can go to Esplanade Park. Old Hill Street Police Station on the left side. Exim Swing, which is the Clarke Slingshot area, Clarke MR, Carpenter Street. And today is Sunday. Lots of people are like resting here and having a picnic, cycling. You can see the beautiful iconic bubble leaf from the river walk.